Hi guys, welcome to another barbecue video. Well, this week I'm not sure if it's working. Yeah, I think it is. So guys, this week we're gonna do, I think what's gonna be one of the simplest recipe we did make yet. You're gonna see though, it's great. It's with Italian sausage, and we put some things inside, some cheese and what have you not. So as always, you put whatever you want inside. What I'm doing is just a suggestion, but you're gonna see it's great and it's very fast, so you're gonna enjoy, I'm sure of it. So guys, hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.